Hello, good morning, good afternoon, hello world, and welcome back to Robothought Zero to Hero series machine learning on the edge using Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 25, and I am going to show you what a label creation means in Pandas using Python library Pandas in Jetson Nano, creating labels, right? So basically there is a method called index argument. It's basically setting an argument using index. You can name your own labels. So let me show you practically doing some code. Alright, let's get into Jetson Nano, and I am already logged into my IDE and I will show you some examples, guys. So let's see what happens now. Let's import our most beautiful Python library called Pandas. Import. What's happening? All right, sometimes having multiple keyboards and mouse in front of you, you got to just juggle around. Anyways, let me just expand this screen so that you guys can see very clear. Let me import pandas as pd space enter, and then let's create a some kind of data. Say for example a equals square bracket, say 246. all right, and then what we need to do, my variable, my var equals pd for panda dot series. There you go, automatically it comes out series. All right, and then you need to first create a series and then you can label it, right? And what you need to do in series, you need to say a comma index. Okay, this is the method you need to use. It's called index equal, and then a square bracket, open the square bracket, and then you set the values inside, what labels you want to create, those values. All right, so let me put some random value, say x in double quote. It has to be in double quote, guys. X comma double quote, say y, and then comma, and then double quote z for z. All right, and then come out of the square bracket and the curly bracket, hit enter, and now you print my variable. Now let us see what happens. Let's run this program. Say Python file in terminal. Python file, why is this? Okay, Python file in terminal. There you go, x is 2 and y is 4 and z is 6, and the data type is integer 64, int 64, which is the short form which I showed you in the earlier lessons. So that's how you create a label using pandas, and you need to use a method called index. It's an argument, right? You need to execute this index and set the data, and then you can create the values, create the labels for against each data. So that's how you start manipulating. Now in the next lesson, guys, I am going to show you more and more details in terms of how we can manipulate the data, visualize the data, do some modification, and I am also going to show import and export data. It's going to get really interesting, and you are going to have real fun. All right, guys, see you soon.